Radiometric dating is a method to determine the age of a substance that involves measuring percentages of radioactive isotopes and their decay products, and knowing the half-lives of these radioactive isotopes. Let's take a look at an example here. We want to understand radiometric dating, which is a method to determine the age of a substance. So let's say we pick up a substance and we analyze it, and we notice that half is uranium-238. Now, uranium-238 is a radioactive isotope of uranium. We also notice that half the substance is made of lead-206. Lead is a non-radioactive substance. And so we picked up our rock or substance, and we notice half is uranium-238 and half is lead-206. So we've analyzed it, and now we take a look at our radioactive substance uranium-238 and study its decay chain. And we notice that uranium-238 decays away into lead-206 eventually. Since we've got half lead and we've got half uranium-238, we can understand that on a chart of half-lives that the substance has decayed to about 1 half-life over time. The horizontal axis is time in this sketch, and the vertical axis is fraction, where 0 means no radioactive atoms and 1 means entirely radioactive atoms. Since we picked up the substance where half of it is radioactive and half is non-radioactive, we know that 1 half-life has passed for uranium-238 because now the substance has half uranium-238 or half radioactive atoms and half non-radioactive atoms, lead-206. So we know that 1 half-life has passed since the formation of this rock, and 1 half-life for uranium-238 is around 4.5 billion Earth years. So when we found this substance, we analyzed the radioactive elements, the non-radioactive elements, and by knowing the half-life and the decay chain of uranium-238, which decays into lead-206, we can determine the age of this rock or this substance. The process that we just went through to find out the age of this rock is called radiometric dating.